What's up, everybody? Yeah, so my name is Alice Emmy or Alice Emmy. Yeah, so it's been long since we did a makeup video, and a few of my friends have been asking how do I draw my eyebrows, how I draw my eyebrows, and you know, some things are unexplainable, and I decided to do a video just to show them how I'm in position or how I normally do my eyebrows. Yeah, by the time someone asks you how do you do that, it means that maybe you are doing that thing well or good or better or excellent. Yeah, and for my returning subscribers, thank you so much for coming back. Thank you so much for clicking to this video. And for my new subscribers, kindly subscribe right now. Join the family. Yeah, subscribe. Yes, and we are growing. Yes, don't forget to share as well. So let me just go straight to this video. And normally when I'm going for work, I don't usually use a lot of makeup, imagine, and just want to show you guys what I have as of today, or what I normally use each time I do makeup, or each time you see me with makeup, what do I normally use. So first, I have my pencils. This is a black pencil, this is a brown one. Now for makeup, for people who are brown, I would recommend you using this one. Yes, I would recommend this compared to this. For people who are dark like us, you can use this. And I have a concealer. A concealer is the one that I normally use to conceal after drawing my eyebrows. And I have a brush that I don't know how I can explain. I normally use a brush and a concealer to shape my eyebrows for them to be in a good shape. I have a sponge. If you're too, that is all. And in this video, I also want to show you how I'm in position to blend my lipstick, because I love blending. I have different lipsticks here. Let me show you. Yes, I have different lipsticks. Now I love blending this with this pencil, and I normally also use this purple pencil and blend it with this light purple lipstick. I also normally love blending this pencil with this light brown lipstick. So I'm going to use one of them. Comment down and tell me which one do you want me to try or to blend in this video. Yeah, so let's start this video. I don't want it to be long. So first of all, I have this one brush. I know you guys are going to be like, but Alice, why didn't you get something that is much better? For now, it's okay. So let me get closer. First, the pencil must be sharp. So I'll start like this. I'm drawing depending on how my eyebrows are. And then I'll also come here. I'm not going to do bigger eyebrows. I just want to do something that you guys are in position to see and learn with. And I'll also come here. So once I'm done, I'm going to fill the gaps. I also love using the brown one for filling the gaps such that my eyebrows are not too dark. So I'm also going to get my concealer. And conceal. Always ensure that your concealer is lighter than your foundation. It's lighter, but use a concealer that is of your skin. I hope you are learning something here. And then I'll also come on this other side. And conceal. Let me give you a tip. If your face is oily, I would first of all recommend you to apply powder in this part, such that your eyebrows are not, how can I call it, such that your eyebrows are not shiny. I'm going to use a sponge to remove the concealer because I don't want it to, I want my eyebrows to look natural. We are done. So I'm just going to apply the foundation. So I'm going to use this. This is purple and light purple. So first of all, I'm going to shape my pencil. Oh my god, it's getting done. and then I'll apply this up front. And we are done. So guys, I won't add on here. I was just showing you how I do my makeup. This is like more simple makeup when I'm going for work. I normally apply that. I hope you are in position to learn something. I hope you're in position to learn how to draw your eyebrows. Always remember that to also shape your eyebrows. When you have shaped eyebrows, like when you will shape them, it is easier for you to draw them, but if they're not shaped, it is really hard for you. Yeah, so that was it for this video. Remember the main things here for you to use: a pencil, you need a concealer, and you need a brush for the eyebrows. Yes, only that. Yeah, so why not leave you guys? Thank you so much for watching this video. Tell me if you were in position to learn something. Tell me if you were in position to, you know, get something, and I hope you leave a comment. See you in the next one.